everyone, today I'm gonna do just an update with my Invisalign. Well, not really an update, but just to share my experience with Invisalign and fixing cavities. As you can see, I'm talking funny. It's because I just came back from my dentist. I had like a couple of cavities before I start the Invisalign, but at the time I didn't have like how do you call that in English? I was not covered to like get my cavities fixed, so it's kind of expensive. And now that I have a new job, like it's been already 2 years, like a year and a half that I have a new job, so it's less expensive for me to fix my cavities. But anyways, you probably don't care for all of that. Wait a minute. I can't feel my lips. uh well, that felt better. Yeah, so anyways, my orthodontist told me it was better to repair the cavities after the Invisalign. But the thing is, I had quite of like big cavities, to be honest. Before Invisalign, I didn't floss my teeth like every day. And because like, I don't know if you remember my teeth before, but they were pretty like really tight, and it's easier to have cavities when your teeth are like too tight, because even when you are flossing, you have more like the food still stay there, and it's easier to get cavities. But all of that to say, that I didn't repair all of them. My dentist told me she doesn't think that they were worst since I started the Invisalign. But since now I have like my new job kind of like cover a part of like the price, I decided to start to do to repair some of my cavities. So my orthodontist told me it was better to wait after, but my dentist told me it's okay. Like, she is used to Invisalign. She does Invisalign. She's actually the one who referred me to my orthodontist because my case was kind of complicated. So I trust her. I know if she tells me that you can repair cavities with the Invisalign, it's still gonna fit, then I trust her to do the job. And today I went, this is so funny, sorry. Actually, it's not funny, but anyways, today I went to repair 2 of my cavities. Tomorrow I'll have to go back for another one. Yeah, that's a lot. I know, don't judge me. Yeah. The thing is, it's really hard for me, like, when they put the anesthesia, like, to get numb. I feel the procedure, like, quite often. They have, like, to put a lot of, like, I think they use Novocaine. I don't know how to say that in English, but anyways, it's a local anesthetic brand that they use. Here in Montreal, they don't like make you to sleep. I know like in the US they use like the thing to make you fall asleep, and then when you wake up you don't remember anything. Here you are awake, they just put the anesthesia like local, like to the place where you're gonna have the repair of the cavity, or if you have like to take out a tooth, it's the same thing. So usually for me, well, I discovered last year when they took out my wisdom tooth, discovered that it was really hard for me to get numb. So now when I go to the dentist, usually she remember me. I just tell her, hey, it's hard for me, like, to get numb. So see, she usually put double dose. there's not a reason why she said it could be, but anyway, it's really weird to talk with my lips like that. Like, I feel my fingers, I think it's starting to like getting back to normal. So yeah, I just wanted to share with you that if you have some cavities and you want to fix them while you are wearing your Invisalign, you can do that with a dentist that are comfortable with Invisalign, of course. So yeah, right now with my Invisalign, I can't, like, yeah. This is it. So there's no change. I'm just gonna take out my Invisalign, my elastic. I can't wait. Let me start this side because I can't heal this side. Oh, I didn't feel it at all. So no. So when I close my mouth, like, I feel like my teeth are touching the same way. I don't feel a bump. This side was not touching before, so it's still the same. So yeah, and it's not hard. Like, I changed my tray yesterday. It's not hard to put it back. Like, I don't feel like it's tighter, or I don't feel like it's looser, since, you know, like they kind of like shape a new tooth. So yeah, this was just a quick update to let you know that you can repair your cavities even if you are wearing some Invisalign. And just a reminder to really be careful, because of the Invisalign you are more at risk to develop some cavities. So you have to make sure you really floss and brush your teeth, like, you know, like in the morning after you eat and before you go to bed. To be honest, I don't always brush my teeth after I eat, but I always like brush my teeth after I eat something sweet, just to make sure that, you know, like the sugar doesn't stay in my teeth. And then I put the Invisalign. It's just, so this is it. Tomorrow I'm going back. I just don't feel like going back at all, but I have no choice. I just hope it's gonna be easier, like, to get numb. But yeah, so let me know if you have like anything you want me to share or try with my Invisalign. I will probably just do an update in 2 months. Yeah, I think my next appointment is in 2 months, so I'll just do an update there. Between there, I keep like all my, not all, but some of my tray, just to try stuff. So let me know what you guys think. If you have any question about my Invisalign, just comment down below. Thank you for watching. Bonne journée.